tip is that you arrange your beads into color if you want to. This is optional. You can do random, but I wanted to do by pattern, so I did it like that. So now get your thread and fold it into halves. You don't really need to do that, but you need it. It'll be easier for you. Now I just made it equal. As you can see, I got pearly, white, pink, red, and purple. So first, what you're gonna do is get your thread and put the first bead in, okay? To the right. And then you're gonna put another thread that comes to the right to left, and then there's gonna be a thread going left to right, so like that. As you can see, it is kind of tricky when you explain it, but when you see it, when you actually do it, it's actually really easy. So you go through to left to right, and then right to left, and then just pull both sides of the string, and then just adjust it as you want. I'm just adjusting it because it's kind of like it comes off, kind of. So yeah, just do the same thing. Just put the thread in to the right, from the right to left, and then just pull. You just need to repeat these steps to make the bracelet. So right to left, left to right. Then pull both sides of this string. So I just did that. So yeah. Okay. So right to left, and then left to right. I just fast forward this part because it took a long time. If you don't know, the bracelets take a long time, but your results will be really good. So yeah, I'm gonna make this longer. There, I made it longer. Make sure it fits around your arm. Now I'm just tying multiple knots on it. So this is my last one. So after that, you're just gonna get your scissors and cut off the excess string. It won't look good if you don't do it. There'll be a random piece of string just sticking out. So yeah, just do that. So you're done. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe this video. Bye.